What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. This is going to be another video in my favorite stock screener websites. I'm excited, very excited to show you all this one. I do not hear many people talk about this website, and it is great for fundamental analysis. So if you're into fundamentals of a stock, digging deep inside of a stock's company, are they making money? Are they losing money? Are they in debt? This is going to be for you. Hopefully you are all having a great day. Let's jump into the video. Like I said, I'm excited to show this one to you guys. If you're really into fundamental analysis, this website is for you. The name of this website is called StockRow.com. I will leave a link to this website in my video description down below. But please first hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders. I'm always putting out great informational videos showing you all the free tools that we have as stock traders and investors. Let's dig into this StockRow website. This is the homepage right here. And first, to sign up with StockRow, it's absolutely free. Quickly create an account, then go to your email and verify the account, and you're instantly in. Again, this is the homepage. At the top, they show you all the futures like the Russell 2000, the Dow Jones, the S&P, gold, silver, crude oil, if it's up or down on the day. At the left here, this is a little cool feature that I think it has. It shows you the current year-to-date change on the major indexes. All kinds of great features in this website, and it is still relatively new. So they're always adding great new features all the time. If we keep scrolling down, they have market news, all kinds of links and news articles that may affect the stock market or that stock companies put out. Then they have a list of all kinds of blog posts, whether it be from a news source, an investor, traders, all kinds of great little blog posts that you can learn from other people. And then here on the far right, they have already pre-built custom stock screeners on the fundamental side. This is a website that's for fundamental analysis and fundamental traders. People who like to dig into companies. They want to know all about what's on the inside and what's going on in companies. They have a pre-built screener that's titled Hidden Gems. They also have one that's called Warren Buffett Screener. And just like finviz.com, if you hover over the stock, it'll present to you a little daily chart to give you a little glimpse of how it's performing. And then the last little screener that they have here is Undervalued Growers. Now, if we scroll all the way back up to the top, they have a little search bar at the top so you can quickly look up any specific stock or ETF that you're looking for. For this example, we'll look up Disney. And Disney's stock ticker is DIS. And real quickly, it'll present to you a candlestick chart, the daily, what it's looking like as it's performing. And it's an interactive chart as well. When you go onto the chart with your mouse and go across it, it gives you little key statistics in this little box right here. The open price, the high, the low, the close, the volume, and the date. And then a little cool feature right here is the insider decision. If there was ever recently any insider selling or buying, it'll show you it right here. This is a very cool website. I know you all are gonna love this website. There's so many great hidden features inside of this website. And just so you guys all know, I am not affiliated with StockRow. I am just showing you guys the cool stuff that's out there for us to use as tools. They have some ratings right here. It looks like a little score of the stock. The 5-year growth annually right there. The beta and the ownership by insiders. And if we keep scrolling down, this is where you get all into the fundamentals, where you're digging into the company. All right here. You got your gross margin, your enterprise value, market capitalization, dividend yield, free cash flow, and they even have it all broken down by year, all right here from the past, and also projections into the future. The revenue, growth, gross margin, EBT, net income, PE ratio, PS ratio. And if we keep scrolling, they have their assets versus liabilities right here, their average annual growth, all this stuff for fundamental analysis. If you're really into fundamental analysis, this is all looking like heaven for you right now. Because I know with fundamental analysis, it could get messy. You gotta look over here, look over there, search for this, dig for that. It could be a very long and tedious process. And with StockRow, it organizes it and lays it out beautifully on this website. Then at the very bottom, we have the business profile where it tells you what the company does and what they're about. And then they also have external links to other news sources: Morningstar, Google Finance, Seeking Alpha, Zacks, Yahoo Finance, Value Walk. So you could look up on other websites about this specific stock. And then if we scroll all the way to the top, we're just on key stats. They have another 4 options for us to go through. A snapshot where we can look up the summary, the income, the balance sheet, and the cash flow. The financials where we can look up the income, balance sheet, cash flow, metrics, and growth. The 10Q and the 10K, SEC filings. Yes, I said SEC filings. All you got to do is click on the 10Q and it will direct you right to the SEC.gov page. Click on the document that you want, and there we go. We got the SEC filing on Walt Disney. And now we can go through here and find what we need to find. And a real quick tip, if you want to find keywords on any specific website, or if you're going through an SEC filing, you know SEC filings can be pages and pages and pages and pages long. To cut out a lot of time, like I said, if you want to find keywords, if you're using Windows, simply click Control F and it'll bring up a little box where you can search for keywords. For an example, cash, C-A-S-H. It found cash 168 times out of all of these pages in this SEC filing. Click the up and down arrow to go through and find each and every single one that says cash. And if you're on a MacBook, to bring this feature up, click Command F, a very useful tool to use if you're looking through SEC filings. Back to the StockRow page, if we click back onto the snapshots and go to income, it breaks it down in graphs and charts of the income of the specific stock that you are looking at. A lot of cool features in this platform, and it is improving every day, every week, every month, and every year. And how I found out about this website is from Dr. Steenbarger, a person, if you don't know, you should definitely follow him. A lot of traders and investors look up to him when it comes to psychology. Same thing when we pull up the balance sheets, more graphs and charts. And then if we want to look at the metrics by the year, and if you want to export any of this data into Excel, you can do that on the StockRow website. I know there's people out there that like to export data to Excel and track data from the stock market. This is one of the best websites that I've ever come across when it comes to fundamental analysis. Next, we're going to go to the screener. I'm not going to get too in depth with this screener, but there are a lot of customizations and options that you could do with this stock screener. If you want to look at just a basic percentage gainer, you could do that. Or if you really want to get technical with it and get crazy with the fundamentals and find that real hidden gem of a company, you have the power to do that with this website and this stock screener. They have a few options here on the left. Right here, the valuation. If you want to look at the sector, profitability, the health, the growth. Let's click on the health, and it gives you just some options that you could choose from and put your numbers in. If you want to go more advanced into it, click this advanced mode blue box here on the right. Right here, you could search for the type of filter that you want. From the looks of it, they have 568 different type of filters that you could use. You could also add your own screener columns, like the industry that it's in, the company name, the stock price, the PE ratio, and here's some of the indicators that they have, all right here. 5-year revenue growth per share annual, 10-year revenue growth per share annual, 10-year dividend per share growth per share annual. So many options to choose from on this website. So you're just going to have to go through it, tweak around with it, discover it, and just have fun with it. And like I said, it's absolutely free. From my experience, I've had no restrictions on this website. We're going to go back to the StockRow homepage, and now we're going to click on the community. From the community tab, you have all kinds of different rooms of people talking about all kinds of different topics. Topics like getting data for a website to an Excel sheet, how many replies it has, how many views, and how long it's been on the website. People talking about the bugs that they've reported or have noticed on StockRow and addressing them. Or if you have any question, go to the community tab, create your own forum, and I'm sure people will come across and answer your question and be happy to help you out. And the last part I want to go over with the StockRow website is the blog section. At the top of the page, you click on blog, and it'll direct you to a page where all kinds of people write interesting and knowledgeable blogs related to the stock market, stocks, money, business, finance, day trading, swing trading, and so on. Here's an example of one blog post, how to find high quality growth stocks. Read these blog posts, gain knowledge, and see how other people view the market and learn something new for the day. When it comes to fundamental analysis, StockRow.com is the website to go to. I love this website, and I love how easily you can access a lot of key things for a specific stock and quickly look up debt, cash, really digging into the insides of a company. I really hope you guys all loved this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. It lets me know you guys like the content that I am creating. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I really like hearing what you all have to say. That's going to wrap it up for this stock screener website review. Until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?